Hello everyone, welcome back yet another lecture of SM online class, and in this class we are going to discuss uh, exercise of differentiation of parametric function and differentiation of a function with respect to another function. Okay, so let us start. Here exercise 7h, that is differentiation of parametric function. Now first question कहछि find dy by dx number 1 এটা 7h exercise x equal to number 1 अछि x equal to a cos theta and y equal to a sin theta. Very simple. We have to find out dy by dx. Okay, we have to find out dy by dx. So first find out dx by d theta. Now theta is the independent variable and this is equal to what? Minus a into sin theta. Now dy upon d theta. This is equal to what? This is a into cos theta. Okay. Now we have to find out dy by dx and it is equal to dy upon d theta upon dx upon d theta, and it is equal to what? This is a cos theta upon minus a sin theta, and it is equal to a cancel, this is minus. Okay. Now question number second. This is x equal to 80 square and y equal to 280 at t equal to half. That is t equal to half means what? First we have to find out derivative and at the value of t equal to half, what is its derivative? Okay, now first find out dx by dt. This is dx by dt equal to what? d by dt of a into t square, and this is a is the constant and derivative of t square, this is 2t. Okay, now dy upon dt. This is derivative of y with respect to t, that is derivative of y equal to what? 280. And here 2a is the constant and derivative of t with respect to t equal to what? 1. Now we have to find out dy by dx, and dy by dx equal to dy upon dt upon dx upon dt, and it is equal to, this is 2a and this is 2 into a into t. 2a 2a cancel and it is equal to 1 upon t. Now we have find out derivative of y with respect to x at the value of t equal to half. Okay, at the value equal to t equal to half, and it is equal to what? 1 upon half. Okay, t जगह में कितने लिखिबा? हाफ लिखिबा, and this is equal to what? 2. So answer is 2. Now question number 3. Question number 3, x equal to a cos cube t, x equal to a cos cube t and y equal to a sin cube t, y equal to a sin cube t. Okay, and at t equal to pi by 4, at t equal to pi by 4. Now first derivative of x with respect to t, this is a constant, derivative of cos cube t, this is 3 cos square t, and derivative of cos t, this is minus sin t. Okay, now dy by dt equal to what? This is a sin cube t, derivative of a sin cube t. A is the constant and derivative of sin cube t. This is 3 sin square t and derivative of sin t. This is cos t. Okay. Now we have to find out dy by dx equal to dy upon dt upon dx upon dt. Okay. And here dy by dt equal to what? 3 into a into sin square t into cos t upon, this is minus 3 into a into cos square t into sin t. And this 3a cancel and 1 sin t is cancel and cos t is cancel. So finally we get minus 10t. Okay. And now we have to find out dy by dx at t equal to pi by 4. This is minus 10 pi by 4 and equal to what? Minus 1. Okay. Now move to question number 4. Question number 4 कहिछि sin x equal to 2t upon 1 plus t square and tan y equal to 2t upon 1 minus t square. Okay. So here we write here x equal to what? Sin inverse 2t upon 1 plus t square and y equal to what? This is tan inverse 2t upon 1 minus t square. Okay. Now first we find out dx by dt. In both function we put t equal to tan theta. This is 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. Okay. मैं डायरेक्ट भी लिखि पारिबा sin inverse 2t upon 1 plus t square equal to tan inverse t. Okay. मु पुट करूची t equal to tan theta. ताले केते लियो? This is sin inverse 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. And this is equal to what? Sin inverse sin 2 theta. And this is 2 theta. Okay. And it is equal to what? 2 tan inverse t. Sin inverse 2t upon 1 plus t square equal to what? 2 tan inverse t. Now y equal to what? This is tan inverse 2 tan theta upon 1 minus tan square theta. And this is equal to what? Tan inverse tan 2 theta. Okay. And it is also equal to 2 theta and it is equal to 2 tan inverse t. So finally we get x equal to what? 2 tan inverse t and y equal to 2 tan inverse t. Okay. Now dx by dt equal to what? Tan inverse t derivative, 2 tan inverse t derivative, that is 2 upon 1 plus t square. And dy by dt equal to also 2 upon 1 plus t square. So dy by dx equal to, this is dy upon dt upon dx upon dt. Same function, so its derivative equal to what? 1. Now move to question number 5. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 कहिचे x equal to 3 cos t minus 2 cos cube t and y equal to 3 sin t minus 2 sin cube t. Okay, now first find out derivative of x with respect to t, and this is equal to derivative of 3 cos t, this is minus 3 sin t, and this is 2 cos cube t derivative, this is minus 2 into cos cube t derivative, that is 3 cos square t into derivative of cos t, this is minus sin t. So it is equal to what? Minus minus plus 6 sin t into cos square t, okay, minus 3 sin t, minus 3 sin t, okay. Now dy upon dt, derivative of y with respect to t, equal to, this is 3 is the constant, derivative of sin t, this is cos t, minus 2 is the constant, sin cube t derivative, that is 3 sin square t into derivative of sin t, this is cos t. Okay, now find its derivative, this is dy by dx equal to dy upon dt upon dx upon dt, and it is equal to dy upon dt equal to 3 cos t minus 2 into 3 sin square t into cos t upon 6 sin t into cos square t minus 3 sin t. Okay, and it is equal to what? 3 कॉमन जीव आ cos t भी कॉमन जीव, ऊपर मु कॉमन ने गेली 3 cos t, तो 3 cos t कॉमन ने ले ये जीव केते, दिस इज 1 minus 2 sin square t. Okay, 1 minus 2 sin square t, तले कॉमन नवा केते 3 sin t, and this is equal to what? This is 2 cos square t minus what? 3, sorry, 2 cos square t minus 1. Okay, 3 cos t यदि कॉमन जीव ताहले 1 minus 2 sin square t हबो, और 3 sin t यदि कॉमन जीव ताहले 2 cos square t minus 1 हे जीव. Okay, ताहले this is cos t, this is cos 2t, this is cos 2t, कैंसिल हे जीव, 3 3 कैंसिल हे जीव, आंसर आसीबो केते cot t. Okay, 1 minus 2 sin square t equal to हे जीव cos 2t, 2 cos square t minus 1 equal to cos 2t, कैंसिल हे गला परे कोन आसीबो आंसर 3 3 कैंसिल हे cos t by sin t, this is cot t. Now move to exercise 7i. Exercise 7i. Number 1, root x with respect to x square. Very simple. এটা নিজে করিব. sin x with respect to cot x. এটা very simple. Okay. Number 3 করছি. Number 3, 1 minus cos x upon 1 plus cos x with respect to 1 minus sin x upon 1 plus cos sin x দেখছি. তাহলে ফার্স্ট আমি নেই বা y ইকুয়াল টু কোন 1 মাইনাস cos x 1 minus cos x upon 1 plus cos x and z equal to नहीं हुआ कौन this is 1 minus sin x upon 1 plus sin x. Okay, now find dy by dx. We have to find dy by dz, but first find dy by dx. This is division formula. Okay, this is 1 plus cos x and derivative of 1 minus cos x. This is cos x derivative minus sin x minus achito sin x hejibo. Minus of 1 minus cos x into derivative of 1 plus cos x. This is minus sin x upon 1 plus cos x whole square. And it is equal to sin x into 1 sin x. This is sin x plus cos x. Sorry, sin x into cos x. Again, this is minus minus plus. Okay, plus sin x. And this is minus minus plus again minus. So minus sin x into cos x. Upon 1 plus cos x whole square, and this is equal to this is plus sin x into cos x minus sin x into cos x plus sin x 2 sin x 2 sin x upon 1 plus cos x whole square. This is the value of what? Dy upon dx. Okay, now we find out dz upon dx. Now dz upon dx equal to, this is division formula again, 1 plus sin x. Okay, and derivative of 1 minus sin x. This is minus cos x minus of 1 minus sin x and derivative of 1 plus sin x. This is cos x upon 1 plus sin x whole square. Okay, now it is equal to cos x in 1 into minus cos x. This is minus cos x and this is minus sin x into cos x. Okay, and this is minus cos x and this is minus minus plus sin x into cos x upon 1 plus sin x whole square. Okay, and it is minus whatever minus cos x minus sin x into cos x minus cos x plus. Okay, this sin x into cos x and plus sin x into cos x cancel, and minus cos x minus cos x, this is equal to what? Minus 2 cos x upon 1 plus sin x whole square. Okay, now we have to find out that is dy by dz. This is dy upon dx upon dz upon dx, and it is equal to what? This is dy by dx equal to 2 sin x upon 1 plus cos x whole square upon, this is minus 2 cos x 1 plus this is dz by dx. This is 1 plus sin x whole square. Okay, and finally we got what? This is equal to 2 sin x by 1 plus cos x whole square into 1 plus sin x whole square upon minus 2 cos x ताले 2 cancel हे जीवो minus रहिला sin x by cos x okay sorry 2 sin x upon 1 plus cos x into 1 plus sin x sin x upon cos x this is minus tan x okay into this is 1 plus sin x whole square 1 plus sin x upon this is 1 plus cos x 1 plus cos x whole square this is the answer okay एटा जेतेले मल्टीप्लाई हो 1 plus sin x रो होल स्क्वायर ता ऊपर को जीवो minus 2 cos x तले रहिबो ओके ताहले sin x by cos x से जीवो tan x minus टे अछि 2 कैंसिल हे गेला and this is 1 plus sin x upon 1 plus cos x रो total whole square okay this is the answer next number 4 number 4 अच्छी question tan inverse x with respect to tan inverse 1 plus x square tan inverse x with respect to tan inverse 1 plus x square root over okay now y equal to tan inverse x z equal to tan inverse 1 plus x square root over okay now dy by dx equal to what 1 upon 1 plus x square and dz by dx equal to 1 by 1 plus x square tan inverse of x root over of 1 plus x square this is 1 by 1 plus 1 by 1 plus f of x रो whole square होगा that is tan inverse f of x this is 1 by 1 plus 1 plus x square okay 1 by 1 plus x square derivative of 1 plus x square root over this is 1 by 2 into root over of 1 plus x square and again derivative of 1 plus x square this is 2x okay and it is equal to what this is 2 cancel x upon this is 2 plus x square into 1 plus x square root over okay now dy by dz this is dy by dx upon dz by dx okay putting the value of dy by dx and dz by dx and simplify it we get the final answer okay and the last question this is question number 5 sin inverse डायरेक्ट लिखुची मैं y इक्वल टू कोन sin inverse 2x upon 1 plus x square and z equal to देची cos inverse 1 minus x square upon 1 plus x square okay तो x को नहीं हुआ tan theta so it is equal to what sin inverse 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta and it is equal to what sin inverse sin 2 theta and again it is equal to 2 theta equal to what? 2 tan inverse x. यदि 2 tan inverse x हुए ताले dy by dx equal to ही जीवो this is 2 by 1 plus x square. Okay, now z equal to cos inverse 1 minus x square upon 1 plus x square, and it is equal to z equal to cos inverse 1 minus tan square theta upon 1 plus tan square theta, and it is equal to cos inverse cos 2 theta equal to 2 theta equal to 2 tan inverse x. Okay, and dz by dx equal to what? 2 upon 1 plus x square. Okay, now this is 2 by 1 plus x square and this is 2 by 1 plus x square. So now dy by dz equal to what? This is 1. Okay, so it is all about exercise 7h and exercise 7I. Okay, so in the next class you are going to discuss derivative of infinite series. Okay, so till that, take care and thanks to all of you.